We might actually have to hook a step.
Yeah, just running out of fuel.
Yeah. Go, brother, get your fuel pump hooked up, bolted onto it. Alright guys, this right here is just a quick little video. Done a video of its first start. It's got a really bad exhaust leak. That's why it kind of sounds like it's got a rod knock. I assure you it's not knocking. But this engine was, well, when we pulled it apart, it clearly looked like something that you'd have seen sitting, you know, on the bottom of a river or something. But alright guys, this is just a quick little, more or less collage where it started at, you know, and what it ended up. Alright guys, thanks. Like, share, and subscribe, please.